Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title of today's video, we are reviewing a product by Lash London, and obviously I love my fake lashes, so I'm always interested in new innovations. So yeah, if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell button. Let's get into the video. So I was very kindly offered some products by Lash London, and obviously I wanted to accept because I absolutely love lashes. If you've been following me a while, then you'll know I love my lashes. So I haven't got any on today because obviously we're going to be reviewing this brand together. So basically it isn't going to be using any glue. It's obviously no mess. So basically what you get in the pack is you get these beautiful lashes. Now I think they do 3 different types. I prefer these ones that are sort of tapered to the side because obviously I've got hooded lids and they kind of open my eye a little bit more. But these are the Vixen ones. They do 3 different types. I can just pop on the screen here as well, a screen recording, so that you can have a look at the 3 different types and also the prices as well. So yeah, they do 3 different types. They also do an instant liner. Now this is obviously what the adhesive is. So it is clear, which is great because I know sometimes I don't particularly like the sort of black eyeliner that you've got to wear. Don't always like wearing eyeliner because I'm at that age where it kind of makes my eye drop a little bit. I wear a tiny bit, but obviously if you want your lashes to glue, then you kind of need the eyeliner, so it kind of defeats the object. So this is actually clear. It's obviously going to be tacky, I would have thought. Yeah, and then obviously, if you remember in my previous video, there's no magnets like the magnetic ones. It isn't magnetic. There's going to be no damage to the actual lashes because obviously we're not really using any glue as such. I did notice that actually the last time that I wore my fake ones, I think I'd worn them a couple of times and there was a little bit of build-up of glue, and then when it took me a while to peel them off, and then when I did peel them off there was literally like 3 or 4 lashes in there. So obviously I did lose a couple of lashes just removing them, and I do like to get quite a few wears out of them as well. So obviously with the glue type lashes, you obviously, the more you wear them, and you know, you want to get a few wears out of them, out of your money and everything, so the more you wear them the more likely you are to damage your own lashes. But obviously these claim that there is going to be no damage to the lashes, which is brilliant. And yeah, and they're supposed to be really fast and effective, quick, which is what we all want because nobody wants to be sitting there fiddling around with eyelashes. You just want to get them on and go, don't you? So let's just undo this nice beautiful package. So obviously it comes in a box like that. So obviously this is the colour of the branding. As you can see, it's sort of like lovely blues and pinks, and then obviously it's got the glittery on the outside, which is really, really nice. Obviously you can store your lashes in here every time you use them, which is really good. And here are the lashes, so they look really nice. It does have a little application on the back there of how to apply. Shake, then apply the adhesive eyeliner across your lash line. Add extra liner to your inner lash corner. Securely apply the lashes on the liner and remove the eyeliner with makeup remover. So yeah, afterwards you're gonna remove the eyeliner, the clear eyeliner, with a makeup remover. Get a little tag here as well so that you can actually pull them out, which is really good. Yeah, so that is the box, which is beautiful. And here are the actual lashes themselves. As you can see there, that is the shape of the lash. I know you can't see perfectly at the minute what the shape is because this container is clear. But so yeah, let me just open the actual pen as well. So obviously it comes in a box, but it also comes in like a pen format like that. And obviously you've got a tip on the end. Now I don't know how many uses you get out of this, but obviously there might be quite a few bits and bobs, you know, there might be quite a lot of product in there, but we'll have to see. Right, so basically, just let me just read out as well sort of the pros about this product. So obviously there's no mess, there's no glue. You know, you're not going to end up with glue halfway up your eyelid like I do sometimes. It's supposed to be effortless and fast, which is what we want. There's going to be no damage to the real lashes. Exactly, you know, not what I had the other week where I lost 3 or 4 lashes. Obviously, because there's no glue, there's going to be no sort of eye irritation. I don't know whether you're the type of person that maybe can't wear lashes because maybe you're allergic to the glue. So you get up to 30 uses, all day uses out of these lashes, which is really good. They are completely cruelty free and 100% vegan, and they're also sort of lightweight and you can tailor them to your eye. Right, so let's get to applying these. But if you are interested, let me just say this right now, there is an offer on, there's a discount code that I have available at the minute. So if you apply Jane15 on checkout, you will get 15% off your first purchase. So I will pop that in the screen. I'll also leave it in the description below. So if you're interested, I'm going to bring you in close now and we're going to start applying these lashes. Right, so I have got my mirror here, so I might be kind of looking down a little bit, but obviously I've got my tweezers as well. So first off, what we need to do is we need to shape the pen. So I'm just going to hold my mirror up. You can see here. I'm going to use this end one so that you can see what I'm doing. Now I have got a bit of black eyeliner on. It's the tiniest amount. I literally don't wear any more than that because, like I said before, I'm in my 40s. Too much on the lid and it kind of sort of makes your eye look too heavy. You kind of want to open it up. So I'm going to apply this to the lash line. I'm probably going to get a bit of makeup on it as well, which is a bit annoying, but yeah, right, it kind of feels a bit tacky, but I'm just going to make sure that I've got enough on there because I don't want them popping off. So I think I've got that on. Now I'm going to take obviously the correct lash here. Now I know you sort of like start to sort of twist them a little bit like this. And basically we should just be able to pop these on now. In terms of length, to be honest, I probably want to nip a bit off that. So I'm just going to sort of nip off. I'm literally going to nip off the end because my eyes are quite small. I've literally took the smallest amount off, so I'm kind of left with that. I literally took that amount off, if you can see there. That's the amount I took off. So let's just pop these on. This should be just easy, pop into place. Corners on. Oh wow, that was quick. I'm just going to move it a little bit. I do like how quick they were because it's tacky. You're not having to wait for like the glue to sort of set. You know, you have to put the wet glue on and then you kind of got to wait like 20 seconds or whatever, 30 seconds to try and wait for it to get tacky. You don't have to do that. Right, I feel like I need a little bit more in this inner corner. Maybe it did actually say to put extra at the corners and I don't think I put enough on. So I'm just going to add a bit in there now. Wow. I love how quick it is. Like I said, I do really like how quick that is. Can you see? After this one, my right eye has got it on and my left eye hasn't. Yeah, really like it. As you can see, I'll just shut my eye for you as well so that you can see what's going on the lid. I don't know whether if I tilt my head down you can see a little bit better. But yeah, I've tried to get them as close as possible to my lash line anyway. But yeah, I thought that was really good, really quick, really fast. I think the more you get used to it as well, the quicker that you'll become. As I say, there's no mess. It's tacky straight away. You literally just pop it on and it kind of pops in place, whereas if you've got like glue and you've not quite got it in the same place, you're kind of sliding it around a little bit. It feels quite lightweight as well. Yeah, I really like it. Right, I'm just going to pop the other one on off camera and I'll be back to you in a second. Hi guys, so I'm back and I've got the other lash on. It was quite easy to do. Yeah, you can trim them like I've mentioned before. So if you're interested in this product, honestly, it's quick, it's easy, it's no mess. You can get a 15% off today if you use the code Jane15 at checkout. I'll leave all the info in the description below. I'll leave the website and everything else, and these ones obviously were the Vixen, but again I'll leave that info below. So yeah, here's a quick look just before I go, just so that you can have a look at what they look like when they're on. Yeah, they look really good, really like them. As I say, they're lightweight, they're quite easy to use. Yeah, could be, you know, obviously safe for the lashes and everything, really safe. Vegan friendly, not test on animals, so all going in the right direction for this brand. So yeah, I hope to see good things about them. It'd be good to see some other styles that they have. I think they only have three different styles at the moment, but they are relatively a small company. So yeah, that's everything for the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave it on the screen, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.